She Cries by Restless Heart na kanilang tinugtog way back 9 years ago. At ngayon nga, sa tinagal-tagal din ng ating pag-iintay sa ating paboritong banda ng bayan, France Rhythm, ay muli na naman tayong binigyan nila ng kanilang bagong cover song, When She Cries. Huwag na nating paligoy-ligoyin to. Huwag na nating patagalin to. Tara, pakinggan natin at panoorin ang When She Cries, ang bagong cover song ng ating paboritong banda ng bayan, France Rhythm. Let's go!
Traveled on is paved with good intentions. It's littered with broken dreams that never quite came true. And all of my hopes were dying. Her love kept me trying. She does her best to hide the pain that she's been through. When she cries at night and she doesn't think that I can hear, she tries to hide all the fear she feels inside. So I pray this time I can be the man that she deserves, 'cause I died the latest time when she cries. She's always been there for me whenever I'm falling, and nobody else believes she'll be there by my side. I don't know how she takes it. Just once I like to make it, then there'll be tears of joy that fill her loving eyes. When she cries at night and she doesn't think that I can hear, she tries to hide all the fears you feel inside. So I pray this time I can be the man that she deserves, 'cause I died little each time when she cries. So I pray this time I can be the man that she deserves, 'cause I die a little each time when she cries.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you po mga Carlton. Maraming salamat po.
Love, love, love.
God bless everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe.
France Rhythm Channel.
Yes, thank you. Salamat po. Daghang salamat.
Mga sanong ka na. Thank you.
So, ayan nga, napanood at napakinggan nyo ang When She Cries by Restless Heart, ang panibagong release cover song ng ating paboritong banda ng bayan, France Rhythm. Ang reaksyon ko dito sa bago nilang cover song ay pagkakataon to ni Francis. Kasi kailangan dito yung boses ng lalaki. Hindi lang yun. Ang galing din ng kanyang tunog ng bass guitar. Eksaktong-eksakto. Lalo na pati yung drums ni Dodds. Yung pagpasok niya ng kanyang drums, the best. Eksaktong-eksakto din to. At dun sa part na nagli-lead guitar si Chen, si Master Chen, talaga naman gamay na gamay niya ang bawat hibla ng kanyang electric guitar. At si Char, relax na relax lang siya sa tabihan habang nagpe-play siya ng kanyang piano organ. So ayan ang aking reaction video, mga kabayan, sa bagong release cover song ng ating paboritong banda ng bayan, France Rhythm. Pagkatapos na maabot nila ang mahigit na 500k subscriber, ay nag-uumpisa na muli o nakapag-umpisa na magbigay ng aliw para sa ating tayong mga subscribers nila. So okay, bahala ka na mga ka-rhythm, mga kabayan. Comment nyo lang sa comment section down below kung ano inyong reaction. Yun lang. Maraming salamat muli sa iyong panonood. Bye bye. God bless.